baby. Go get it. You did it. Can you go a little farther? Go get it. You did it. Today is May 30th. And Eve is 6.5 months old. Good job, love. Do you want to go farther? Come here. Come to Mama. Come here. Come here. Good job. You did it. I'm so proud of you. Can you look up here one more time? Hi. Good job.